Hello children, good morning. As in the part of Peer 2 revision, we have 11th lesson Human Eye and Colorful World. Okay na children? Actually, we discussed previously Human Eye part also, but our syllabus is from page number 191. Okay, refraction of light through a prism. From that onwards only we have to prepare from this page. Okay, so refraction of light through prism, triangular prism. From this one we have to read all these concepts. Already two practice tests I given. Once again you have to see those blanks and MCQs, because from this portion not more than that one required. Okay, so to answer those questions definitely you have to thoroughly read these 3 pages number. Only 3 pages. Okay, this is not big syllabus. So once again we discuss lightly from these main concepts anamata. Okay, first one is refraction of light through glass prism. What is happening in this one? We observe that we have to take glass prism, and if you consider this one as incident ray, this is actual path, children, but actually this is point of incidence and medium is changed. That's why light gets refracted, and again second time refraction, finally it is emergent ray. Finally we see emergent ray, incident ray. This is refracted ray. This is the first normal and second normal. So this is what we call angle between normal and incident ray, angle of incidence. Here we can see angle of refraction. Okay, and it is one more normal. This is take n1, normal 1. This is normal 2. Again, if you consider this one as incident ray, then this will be the angle of incidence and it will be the angle of refraction. Okay, Ramma? So based on the angle of refraction, here deviation is dependent. Okay, so by extending this emergent ray, this one meet the actual path. It meets actual path at a point. Then here one angle is formed. That is what we call D. D means angle of deviation. Angle of deviation means based on the angle of incidence, deviation also different angles will be come, refraction only. And one more phenomena based on this atmospheric refraction is early sunrise and delayed sunset. This is 2 minutes early, this is 2 minutes delayed. Total 4 minutes we can see extra sun. Okay na? Even though the sun set already, but due to the atmospheric refraction we can see the apparent position of the sun. And even in the sunrise also, even the sun is down only, but we can observe the sun 2 minutes earlier due to atmospheric refraction. Okay, here 2 minutes and here 2 minutes, so total 4 minutes. But I asked in that paper hours, so 2 plus 2 4 minutes. 4 minutes means into hour, 4 by 60, 1 by 15, so 1 by 15 hours. Minutes means 4, into seconds means 4 minutes means 4 into 60, 240 seconds extra sunlight we get in a day. When light is passed through some certain particles, different size particles, the direction of the light will be changed, means the direction will be redirected and giving some colors. Okay, we know 3 different types of particles will be there: fine particles and larger particles, and large enough means more large larger. Okay, so fine particles they give, means when sunlight passes through fine particles we observe blue color because they scatter blue light only, lesser wavelength. And here we can see more wavelength, that is what we call red color. Large enough or larger, then we can see white light we can observe. So any color based question will be based on the scattering of light only, not other than that. If the scattering by the colloidal particles, we can see Tyndall effect through the dense forest, that is what we call canopy. In the canopy we can see Tyndall effect, and in the slit through a window, if it has any slit, then we can see Tyndall effect. Okay. So finally, based on the scattering of light, the sky seems to be blue in the color, and during the sunrise, sunset and sunrise, then we can see reddening of the sun. Already told no, color మీద ఏ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చిందో that is due to scattering of light అన్నమాట. ఓకే అన్న. సో in this way children, you have to prepare whole lesson thoroughly, and afternoon in the Google Meet we will discuss any doubts. Okay, what is our syllabus from page number 191.